Good afternoon. Present activity speaking. Presentation personal. Talk about my trip experience Manizales Caldas, the weather in Manizales Caldas, recommendation if you go to Manizales Caldas. Next, presentation personal. My name is Fabian Alberto Zambrano Angulo. I am 24 years old. I was born in the city of Bogota. I am a student of the University Nacional Abierta y a Distancia, Environmental Health Technology Program. I am an poster and company marketing. I like to read. I like soccer play. I like listen to music. I like swim and walk. My trip experience Manizales Caldas. If you want to have an unforgettable vacation, Manizales Caldas, follow this information. Tips to go to Manizales Caldas. I went to visit my family. I did not have to spend too much because I have relatives in the city and I stayed at home. I just had to pay my tickets. Nothing more. I went with my cousins in addition to visiting different places, of which I can highlight the Basilica, la Catedral de Nuestra Señora del Rosario, and the football stadium that has the name of Palo Grande. Is where the football team usually plays 11 Caldas. The place that I like the most was the hill that is around the stadium where you can see the whole city. In the city I was 5 weeks and I returned in early December. Instruction 2. The weather in Manizales Caldas. The weather in Manizales Caldas is very changeable due to the presence of the snowfall of the wrist. Some days are hot and other days are cold. Recommendation 1. It is advisable to wear warm clothes in the last months of the year. Recommendation 2. It is important that when entering the city stadium, do not bring valuable things. Recommendation 3. It is necessary that you arrive at the stadium in time to enjoy the show. Recommendation 4. Good idea that you bring food to the stadium because inside everything is very expensive. Recommendation 5. It is necessary that when you go to Cathedral Nuestra Señora del Rosario, ask for a wish if you go for the first time. Recommendation 6. It is important that you are aware of the entry times to it is important that you are aware of the entries times to the cathedral. Recommendation 7. It is necessary that if you go to the corridor of the Polanco, do not be afraid of heights. Recommendation 8. It is necessary that you follow the instruction of the guide when you are in the Polanco corridor. What you should do if you dare to go to Manizales and want to the Stadium Palo Grande, it is better that you consult the price of the ticket office because they are sold out fast to be able to see a football match and also a right wait time. What you should do bring any kind of the electronic device to the cathedral. Bye. Goodbye.